Okay, we want to mark our teeth now. I'll use this little tool here to put some grooves in it. Okay, I might cut them back a little bit. I'm not sure yet until after I get the mouth figured out. So we have to cut this part out here. So we're going to have to cut in here, cut this part out, and then cut this part out down here. And then part of this will get cut off later on when I figure out how far deep we want the teeth to go. So we'll cut this out now and this piece off, and then we'll take a look at our next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. Thanks.